This video describes payout issues with the hoppers on most fruit machines. The first thing to look at on the machine is to check on the main board to see if any of the LEDs are out. As you'll see, I've got the 24 volt LED out on the machine, and that shows that there's an issue with the power supply or power getting to the hopper, and that's why we're getting the error. So the first thing to sort of not go down looking at the wrong part is to sort of look and see, firstly, have you got power to a hopper? Now, the reason that the LED may be out is, there may be a jam with the hopper, or the hopper may be faulty, so there may still be an issue with the hopper that has caused the error in the first place. But if we haven't got power to the hopper, once we fix the issue with the hopper or check the hopper and make sure it is okay, it's still not going to work if the LED is out. So we'll assume that this is the case and we've got a LED out, and what we should now look at is the power supply. So with all of this video, I've already removed all the covers and to speed everything up, so it will take a bit longer. But when we're looking at the power supply in the bottom, you may find on a lot of machines now they have a separate fuse board that sits next to the power supply. So I'm just going to unplug the power supply, and then you've got a wing nut under here. So if you hold the wing nut, and you can then take this plate off, slide the power unit forward, and also here you'll have a screw which you need to just undo, and then you can slide forward. So if you slide them both together, it just gives a bit of access to the fuse board. So you'll see here the reason I've had that 24 volt out is because I've removed the 24 volt fuse. So just check your fuses, check all the fuses on the board at the side if you've got any LEDs out, and then once you've sorted that out, we can then look at the hopper and see if there's any sort of coins jammed and then why we've got that error in the first place. So if we go back up to the hopper unit itself, pull out the silver plunger that allows the hopper to slide out. You'll have a plug that goes into itself like this, and you have a plastic clip that pushes in, which allows the plug to undo. Once you've undone it, you should be able to remove the hopper out completely, and then once you've got it removed, just look and see if you've got any coins jammed in the hopper itself. As you'll see here, there's a pound coin that is stuck in the hopper. So obviously before you do this, you'll need to sort of tip it up and tip out all the pound coins, but again, I've just done this to make it quicker. So what you should be able to do to remove the coins is just turn the disc in an anti-clockwise direction, and then that will pay out any coins that are stuck in the hopper. And what I would suggest also, if there's no coins in there, is just putting a pound in the disc and then rotating it round anti-clockwise and ensure it comes out, so you know there is nothing else, a bit of paper or something that's gone into the hopper which is blocking the sensors and causing the error. Once you've checked the hopper, check the fuses, everything's back on, switch the machine on, that should resolve the fault.